Today's blog, I wanted to show you guys this rice mill machine that we have in town. If you buy rice in this store, usually it's already been ground down and it's white and then all good to go and ready to eat. But this place here is for when you have some rice that's just fresh from the fields and hasn't had a chance to be run through the mill yet. And you can bring in about 10 kilo and you only need to pay 100 yen, and then it just grinds off that outer layer just like regular mill would. And it just gives you a chance to have, really fresh rice, and then you can just kind of use the mill as you need to keep the rice fresh and delicious. So this was the first time we'd actually had a chance to do that. A student of ours gave us some rice, and we got a chance to come out here and try to use the machine. So you see, you just put your rice in there. You have another bag over here on this side waiting to catch the rice as it comes out. You put in 100 yen and you choose, how much you want the mill to work. There's 3 levels to it, and you choose which one you want, and you can do up to 30 kilograms at a time if you want to, but we just did 10 to kind of give it a shot here. But it's pretty noisy in there. It's in this nice little enclosed small little space, and then you get nice pretty rice out when you're done. So it was a pretty cool experience to get a chance to see how this works. There's a lot of rice fields around our house. We live in a really rural part of Japan, so lots of people that have this brown rice then that you can use this machine for. So I'll try to have some more fun things to share with you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.